What's up, everyone? VampCalf back again with not another RC tutorial. A couple days ago, I felt the need to push down some recycling and cut my hand pretty good, and I would wear this stupid splint thing so I don't bend my thumb and tear her open again. It's pretty fun. However, I don't get to fly. Kind of sucks, but why not try it? I'm a thumber, so now I'm gonna try to be a index fingerer and a half thumber. So I don't know. Maybe we'll try the simulator first before I go and fly a real drone with my not thumb. All right, so let's see. Got VJoy on. Let's get into free flight. Okay. Oh, turn transmitter on. All right, sweet. All right, so the idea is, let's see the green. Yeah, that's a nice open space. Okay, so the idea is as a thumber, you know, obviously thumbs. Okay, can't really use it. So I'm gonna switch to my index. See how that goes. I don't know. Okay, no. Alright. Creatures of habit. Okay. Hold on, let's get the yaw first. Oh. Okay. Oh. Alright, just get it in the air. Alright. Let's try some turns. Okay, so throttle control is going to be interesting. Oh geez, oh geez. Okay, so it's like having your yaw rates like cut cut in half, because I could do full throws to the left probably pretty quick. But to the right, that's, yeah, okay, that's a little, right. All right. Oh boy. Let's try another yaw to the right. Yaw spin to the right. That was crazy. It is. It's like, seriously, it's like having your rate like chopped in half. Oh, okay. Oh. No pinch. God, I can't pinch, so why am I trying to pinch with my right hand? It's like my right hand wants to do what my left hand's doing, but my left hand wants to do what I'm used to doing. Alright. It's tough leveling out, too. Alright, okay, yeah, that's the throttle is, the throttle is tough. Throttle control is not there. Ah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it's just the yaw. Oh, and I don't want to turn up my rates to like. Oh, it's the throttle control, man. That throttle control is killing me. All right, let's just cruise. I don't know. I'm trying to get all crazy and technical. I don't even know how to handle my throttle control. I can't even control my throttle. I'm trying to do all crazy flippy flops and whatnot. Can't even go in a straight line. Let's follow this little dirt trail, see if I can do anything good. Oh, the obviously, oh yeah, I'm having problems with my yaw and throttle. it's the one I'm using. Let's try a race. Let's make things interesting. Let's dig the hole deeper. Dig the hole deeper. Bazow. Alright, let's see here. Dig the hole deeper. Let's see. Race. Yes, please. Infinite. Oh, like we're even gonna get through one lap. Infinite. Yeah, let me track the multiple laps I'm gonna get. Oh, let's go to the Pine Valley. I like that one. This one's got a couple switchbacks that's gonna really mess with my... really hurt me. It's gonna hurt. Bring the hurt. Oh! That's off to a bad start. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is where you get. Alright, here we go. Just gotta go like 2 miles an hour and it's alright. This ain't so bad. It's not ideal. I thought this was gonna be a lot worse. Oh, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. If I make one lap, I'm gonna go outside and fly. One lap. One whole lap. I'm the heck with the simulator. I'm going out. I get through this last gate. I'm going outside. I want to go outside. I'm going outside. Let's go right now. We're doing it. Crashing or not. Crashing or not. Guess I need my stuff, huh? Some goggles. I need my little turtle. And some batteries. Let's get some batteries. I'll see you outside. It worked. It worked. Bum thumb and all. Yes. Don't just let some little minor injury stop you from flying. It sucked, but it was awesome. So, with that said, thanks for watching. Have fun flying out there.